Our next stop, Bali, Indonesia. The art and beauty and culture of this exotic land can sometimes be found hidden away in the marketplace, in the handcrafted art and jewelry of its local people. But this craftsmanship has now found a way to be visible to the entire world, making true celebrities out of some of its local vendors, as you're about to see. Bali, the exotic beauty and rich culture of this remote land is only matched by the handcrafted artistry, precious gems, and centuries-old metalworking techniques that have been passed down from generation to generation in making jewelry. Designer Janelle Sherman certainly appreciates this lost art of craftsmanship. She's been working with Artisans of Bali for over 25 years and has partnered with them in creating a true one-of-a-kind collection in exotic jewelry.
This is a generational business for sure. Kadek Amade, my partners, his father was a goldsmith, and his father was a goldsmith. So they made these beautiful pieces for the kings and the queens in Bali. So this literally was a generation of really goldsmiths. So they went into sterling silver because the gold became so expensive. Everything is done by hand there. So literally we will melt down the silver, we will spool it into and thin it out into wire, and we make our pieces. So you see this beautiful curving of the silver and these little balls that are put onto all my jewelry. And this is all done by hand.
But this lost art in making jewelry probably would have remained lost art had Janelle not found a way to share the fabled stories and craftsmanship of Bali with the world. Enter American Television Shopping Network, Jewelry Television, or JTV, based in Knoxville, Tennessee, with its studios, production, gemologists, and educators doing live television programming 24 hours a day to 85 million households. JTV saw a world of beauty and possibilities in Janelle's designs, and Bali's lost art in jewelry making was suddenly found.
Well, our mission here at JTV is to open the world of gemstones and jewelry to everyone and to bring extraordinary product at extraordinary prices to our customer. So at any point in time, we have people on the ground in all parts of the world looking for that unique product.
JTV has made a major impact on the world of jewelry because we've brought a variety of products that never would have made it to the market in any other way. We have popularized gemstones such as chrome diopside and morganite and tanzanite, and we've explained to the world why these are beautiful gems and why these are precious in their own way.
This collection is like the utmost quality. It is our #1 selling silver line here at Jewelry Television. Every single piece is custom, handmade by the finest silversmiths in the world that come out of Bali.
When the Bali line is successful, that means everyone that Janelle employs is successful. And that's one of the things that we really, really love, because we know that we touch the hearts and the lives of everyone that is surrounded in the Artisan of Bali collection.
JTV's impact on me has been tremendous. What they've done for my teammates in Bali is amazing. They get excited. You know, we did some filming where they were outside and they were like, JTV! And you never hear that, but you're sometimes gonna see that B-roll that we play after a show. And they love the fact that they know they're bringing it to the United States.
As these artisan communities grow here in Bali and other exotic lands, so does the economy, welfare, and development of the communities around them, thanks to a global window of opportunity that is now allowing the whole world to see the artistry of these people.